What is up, YouTubers? Matthew Fritz, aka Jew Daddy, in the house, bringing you Gears 5, Xbox Series X, LG C9 OLED. We're gonna try some 4K 60 campaign. Spoiler alert, I don't know where I'm at actually, so, Act 1, Chapter 4. If you haven't made it this far, turn back. Do not go any further. Do not spoil this epic story. JK, who cares? It's Gears of War 5. It was like 2 years ago. If you haven't beaten the game yet, you should probably do that sometime. Not going to be much commentary. I just want to show everybody how beautiful the Series X looks on an OLED display, especially the LG C9. Let's do this.
It's done. Let's just get out of here. Find the others.
Hey, think we can exit stage right.
Theater evacuees didn't make it.
Man, that looks so dark.
The Carmides? What's their status?
Wow, how about this? Let's focus right here. No. No, that's terrible. Hold on.
Not yet, but we'll keep looking.
I'm trying, people. Let's try that. See how that works. Man, it's hard to find. Well, that's good. That's good. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I think they know how to party. Am I right? Am I right? No? Okay. Let's just keep going.
Holy shit.
Delta, where are you? Command just called it. Pull out. Evacuation's over.
Control, it's Delta. You're breaking up. We're at the theater. Say again?
You gotta get out of there, kid. They're letting the settlement go.
Wait, can't we use the hammer at dawn?
Not when I can't talk to the damn thing. Just fall back to the main gate.
Barrett, we're stuck on the other side of town.
Phoenix, River here. You're at the theater?
Lizzie, thank God. Affirmative.
I've diverted like 6 times. I can pick you up. Coming here right now.
We'll be here. Delta out.
Come on.
Whoa, it's us. We, brought company.
Oh, wow. I think this is a good time to say peace out, Girl Scouts. I'm going to have some more content coming. This looks pretty intense. I'm not going to try and do it right now. Thank you for watching. Watch more. Hit the subscribe button. Do other stuff. Keep on your pants.